Hi everyone, I'm Matt Titcomb. At Peak InfoSec, we often see clients make basic mistakes when they undergo a CMMC certification assessment. We created this series to help you to avoid these common pitfalls. Here's C3PAO tip number 7. 372 and read the discussion. 372, interestingly, is one of the most commonly misinterpreted requirements because people don't read the discussion and they don't take time with the first sentence to identify the word not. Not suddenly changes this one requirement from something you're responsible for doing internally to now how are you managing your third-party providers coming in and providing maintenance services in your environment. It is a significant shift about how you operate and how you handle this control with one word. So read the discussion and please take time to think through what that consequence of a word like not can have. Thank you.